What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, guys, I'm finally gonna be installing my NRG Prisma racing bucket seats. Today with me we got German 2J, Erwin. You guys already know what it is. So it's a T50 Torx to get the main bolt out in the back. The big boy, right? So I actually did, I don't know if I told you guys, I had to get Sparco seat brackets, and NRG also included the sliders with it, so we're gonna be installing that as well in this video. So if you guys wanna do this yourself, we're gonna have step-by-step how to install these seats for you.
Give me a flash back here.
Gotcha.
Yeah, hold it right there.
So you guys are loving the dirty interior. I've never taken out the seats since I've owned the car, so that's what it's looking like underneath. But all you guys really have to do when taking it out is have a T50 Torx, and you want to remove the 4 bolts. There's one here, back here, another one back here, and the one in the front. And then that should be about it. And then just disconnecting this. What's this called? Yeah, for all the electronics in the seats. But we're gonna tuck that down, or maybe I could see if I could remove that when we put the other seats in. So here's the driver's seat. Take another left.
It's probably like, I got a bad back, but it's probably like 50 pounds, I don't know.
He thinks 50 here. Let me give it a lift.
It's like 40 or 50 pounds.
Fam.
Stupid if you think that's 130 pounds.
I'm not saying this is 130, but this is like,
That's not even close to 130.
that has to be 100.
It's not 100.
Here in the video, so we'll see who's closer. He says 50, I say 100.
Let's get a scale.
I don't have a scale. Oh, know what we could do?
Hold it.
Yeah, and then we'll put it on. Should I go do that right now?
Grab the scale.
Alright guys, so we got a certified scale over here. As you can see, it's
Health-o-meter.
2020 technology over here.
Yep,
So
professional.
but I'm gonna scale myself right now, and then I'm gonna see how much I weigh, and then just subtract what I weigh and what the seat is. So I'm currently sitting in at 165, 166. So we'll say 165, and then I'm gonna grab this big boy. Erwin guessed 50 pounds. I guessed 100 pounds. Let's see who's closer.
Actually, you guessed more than 130.
I said 100, bro.
You said 130.
My final guess was 100.
You said 130, but okay.
Alright, I can't see shit, so you gotta look.
Okay, we'll see. Let's see what it's at. 230 pounds on the dot. You should look at Jesus.
130?
Ripped toe.
Get that out of there.
But yeah, 230 on the
So
dot.
230 minus 165.
It's about 70 pounds around there.
Yo. 230, yeah, around there. Oh shit. So guys, that's the camera. So guys, frustrating, but it's all clean now thanks to this guy. But the bolts, they didn't send me bolts for the seat brackets because the original bolts, guys, was conflicting with the seat brackets the Sparco sent me because it wouldn't be able, like,
You couldn't even get a socket in there, even if.
yeah, long story short, you couldn't get a socket on there to tighten the bolts in with the seat bracket, so I gotta get some
Smaller Allen version.
versions of these bolts, and then we'll be able to get the seats in. Alright guys, so now we're inside, and what we're gonna be doing is going step by step of how to install the slider actually to the seat. So our racing seat actually came with these side mounts already put into the seat, so it makes it a lot easier for us to just bolt the slider right on and then put the bracket on top of it. So over in this box we got the slider, and I get this box opened up and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So everything's outside the box, and as you guys can see, there's 2 sliders right here, and it comes with the actual rails, so you can pull your seat up. I prefer to pull. I don't know who does push. I like to pull it up so you can move back and forth. Okay guys, so basically what you want to do is you want to put the sliders facing which the flat part is flushed against the bracket that's on the seat, not the actual seat bracket, the one that's attached to the seat. You want it to be flat to flat. And as you see, you want to push down on here, and then it'll give you the ability to slide the slider mechanism down for you to put the top bolt on. And then we don't want to do it too tight, guys, because you want to be able to move it all the way to the outer side of this so that we can actually put this on, because this has it's really tight. So in order for us to get it on, we actually have to move the slider to the outside of the bracket here, and then once we put this on, we'll actually adjust it and tighten it. But I think I'll actually just end up keeping it on the outer side because that should be good enough just to keep this more secure.
Eggy.
Alright guys, so I couldn't really record it because it was a two-person job, but basically guys, when you're putting the rail to move the seat back and forward, leave the last bolt, one of the last bolts at the bottom here, off, so that you could keep this bottom part slider moving like this, so that it's easier to put this in. And then you're gonna squeeze it with a lot of pressure, and then you're gonna have one guy hold it with pressure, and then the other one screwing the bolt at the bottom. It's a good technique that we use, and it worked pretty good for us. So now we're gonna get the Sparko seat bracket onto the NRG seat and sliders. Another quick tip, guys, is because you're gonna be using your Allen key with your wrench. So in order to get these bottom bolts tightened in, to clear room so that you can fit your Allen key, I don't know if you guys have those short 90 degrees.
If they have a ratcheting electric ratchet with like an Allen attachment on it, and like a 3/8 drive, it would easily get in there, but we're using hand tools.
Yeah, so if you guys are like us and you're using hand tools, good technique is just to slide the bracket all the way down, and it gives you a lot of clearance under there to get the hand Allens in there, because we didn't have clearance when we just kept it centered. Alright guys, so everyone's just getting the last bolt in.
Basically what we're doing, guys, quick summary, basically what we want is the flat surface of the slider onto that seat, the little bracket on the seat. Yeah. Slider part bolts onto the seat bracket that goes on the actual floor of the car. Bolts are coming outwards, so they're not interfering with the slider.
Because it's kind of obvious, guys, because you can't really fit, and it's really tight, so you want to make sure it's coming upwards.
So
like
put
that.
the nuts on the outside, and other than that, you want to also have the seat belt buckle on the left side. It's left side for the passenger, right side for the driver.
That's how you could tell if you're putting on the seat bracket properly, because you'll look at it's a passenger side, and then the seat belt will be on the side of where they're gonna buckle it. So it's a little dark, but I got both the seats in the car now. This is the passenger one. It's not bolted up yet. I picked up some bolts from the hardware store. Got some nice gold ones. I think it'll look real good. The driver's side is bolted up, guys. Let me go over to the driver's side. I already did the driver's side, guys, because I was learning at the same time, and then now I was showing you guys how to do it with the passenger seat. As you see, I got the bolts in. It looks really good, guys. You can see the sparkle from the back. Got the trunk gutted. I reused the stock seatbelt for now, and I'm still using it until I get some harnesses or whatever I'm gonna do. But it looks really good, guys. I really like it. So now let's finish getting this one bolted in, and then go for a little drive. It's all bolted in. Let me get some light in here. Seats in, guys. Got the slider working and everything. Got the bolts in. Guys, it looks so good. I want to show you guys in the daylight too. The sparkle on the back is so nice when you get the flash on it. Let me go from the trunk here. I'll show you guys. Here's from the back, guys. That looks so cool. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, guys, with the look and with the weight savings. Looks really good with the gut. So I hope you enjoyed the video of me installing the NRGs. Let me just hop in the car. We'll end it off in the seats. You see it right there. If you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. A lot more weight savings still coming to the car. This is just the start, guys. It's been Dujo, guys. Stay clean. Stay safe. I'm out. Peace.